Hot flashes. Hot flashes are the symptom most associated with perimenopause and also the one most misunderstood in terms of what's actually causing them. A hot flash isn't just a feeling of warmth. It's a sudden dysregulation of the body's thermostat, a mechanism controlled by a region of the brain called the hypothalamus. Sleep disruption in perimenopause is both a symptom and an amplifier of every other symptom on this list. The hormonal drivers are multiple and they compound each other. Mood changes of perimenopause are among the most disorienting symptoms and the most likely to be misattributed. Brain fog, cognitive changes during perimenopause, brain fog, word retrieval difficulty, memory lapses, difficulty concentrating are among the most frightening symptoms and the ones women are least likely to mention to a doctor. They're frightening because the first thought is often Alzheimer's or early cognitive decline. The distinction matters enormously. Perimenopausal brain fog is hormonal, fluctuating, and not progressive in the way neurodegenerative disease is. Changes in menstrual cycle changes in perimenopause are usually the first symptom that gets medically acknowledged as perimenopausal because they're visible and measurable in a way that mood and sleep changes aren't. The hormonal story behind cycle changes in perimenopause is specific. Weight changes in perimenopause, specifically the redistribution of body fat toward the abdomen, are one of the most consistent and least controllable symptoms, and they operate through multiple simultaneous mechanisms. Estrogen influences where fat is stored. In the reproductive years, estrogen promotes fat storage in the hips and thighs, the classic pear shape. Estrogen has significant anti-inflammatory effects. Estrogen receptors exist throughout joint tissue, in cartilage, in the synovial membrane that lines joints, in tendons and ligaments. When estrogen drops or becomes erratic, these tissues lose some of their anti-inflammatory protection.
The result is joint stiffness, aching, and sometimes swelling. Changes in sexual function during perimenopause are among the most common and the least likely to be raised voluntarily because they exist in the overlap between a medical symptom and a deeply personal experience.